morning, my name is Charlie Parker and it's my pleasure to be the in-flight lead on today's flight back to London Heathrow's Terminal 5. A special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and those of you joining us from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It will also remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt signs are on. When opening the overhead lockers, please do take care as items may have moved and could fall out causing injury. As a reminder, smoking, including e-cigarettes, vaping and the use of other smoking devices, is not permitted at any time whilst on board. This does include the toilets which are fitted with smoke detectors. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Video and phone calls are also not permitted at any time whilst on board. In-seat power is available within your seat and will be ready to use once the seatbelt signs have been switched off. We are about to start our onboard service. If you do have a food allergy today or would like information on specific allergens on today's flight, please contact any member of the crew. Those of you seated in our Club Europe cabin will be offering you a choice of meal and drinks from the bar, and in our Euro Traveller cabin today we will be offering you a complimentary bottle of water and a light snack. This will then be followed by our High Life Cafe service. Pre-purchased items will be served first, followed by on-board purchases. If you would like to purchase from the selection of the High Life Cafe items on today's flight, please connect to BA's Wi-Fi and visit shop.ba.com to discover the items available or refer to the menu card in your seat area. We now invite you to make yourselves comfortable and enjoy the hospitality of British Airways. If there is anything that I or my team can do for you today, please do not